It's literally struggling. Hi guys! So for today's Get Ready With Me, gusto kong matry itong Lovely Cosmetics Beyond Blur Skin Illuminator. I've been eyeing this for a while. So ngayong meron ako nito, honestly, I just want to try it out. Tapos, hopefully maganda ang wear test niya. For someone na hindi clear ang skin ko, especially right now, kakatapos ang breakout ko. So gusto ko matry if may coverage ba siya, if may blurring effect na. And if tama lang yung illuminating effect niya. Kasi I have not swatched this. Kumbaga, kumbaga blind buy ito for me. So, gusto ko talaga malaman if it's worth the price and if it's worth that weight. And so, ang gagamitin ko lang beneath it is yung moisturizer ko, my sunscreen, plus ito na, and some makeup products. Paglagay na ako ng moisturizer and sunscreen, nagantay ako ng mga 5 minutes bago ko ilalagay ito. So, ayan, ngayon naman, gamitin ko na sponge yung pag-blend na to. Hopefully, may put lang dito sa gilid. I like how controlled yung product sa kanya. Pero may iba siyang shine. Sobra. So, may iba siyang shine. Ang skin-like ng finish ng testing natin. In terms of coverage, sakto lang siya kasi dito may stent reticent. Nagawa naman niyang cover yun. Isa sa part niya ang blurring. Isa sa key factor niya ang blurring. Kaya I don't plan on using a lot. Feeling ko sobrang mag-iiba ng boses ko. Hindi na ako lalagay ng setting spray para talagang ma-wear test siya. So, checking in, it is 6:40 a.m. Ayan. 6:40 a.m. 6:31 a.m. Ako, initial naglagay ng illuminator. Nakapag-blush on na ako. Nakapaglagay ako ng onting highlight yung sa areas na pinakita ko kanina. And, ayun, I think, okay pa rin naman siya. Looking at the mirror, it's working well naman. Hindi ako overly oily. Pero, para na rin, sure na hindi maka-interfere masyado yung oils. Maglagay lang ako onting powder. Very lightweight lang din naman yung powder nito, so I don't think makaka-affect siya sa pag-wear test ko. At matignan natin if may pinagkaiba yung itsura ng base between now and later. And may extra shine talaga siya kumpara sa normal shine like. That's a good thing. Ayan, so it's what time? 6:42 and 6:42 at check-in na, and then after class, which is like 11:30, so 5-hour check-in, and let's see if okay ba. 10 minutes in, ayan, slight blurring, and it goes up, ayan siya. Hopefully ayos pa to later.